they're gonna cut good. They're looking awfully nice. Corn's still pretty wet, but I think today's the day. We're gonna try to cut beans, combine, put fish touches on it. Gonna put her on the head and go. Gotta move the sip for the corn head, gonna bring it over that way we can grease it, but we ain't ready for it yet. We're only gonna use it on one farm this year, and that's one of our custom jobs. But gotta move that out of the way, that way we can hopefully cut this first when we get done, just cut straight across. Cut that too. I gotta move the Magnum yet, just gonna bring it over to the house. I took the fuel cultivator from it later on, so I gotta hook the drill up to it. Gonna drill some wheat and rye in some spots this fall, so that's our plan today. Look at that good looking beast right there. Nope. She started. We're gonna put this truck on that hopper bottom right there. We got the Peterbilt on the other truck. There we go. There's the truck with me. There we go. Alright, everything hooked up there. Done. We're good to go. Oh, lordy. Get my trailer brakes unlocked, then I'll be good to go. finally got the head on. It's been a few hours. We put a new shock on the steering column on that combine. It was wore out. And when we did that and tilted it, the U-joint in there and that shaft that steers it, it separated. So he's been putting that back together. I got hydraulic oil in the other combine. He's gonna look over that head and make sure it's good to go. Should be. I gotta run and help a buddy with something, so I'm gonna run and do that. But we just gotta admire how good looking of a rig this is. All of them we bought from the exact same guy, Ed Good. Got the semi last year towards the end of fall. We're gonna try it this year and trade it off our steel trailer, like I said, for this aluminum one. It's a nice trailer. The wheels are a bit rusty. I'll get them painted one of these days. Needs a new tart, but it ain't too bad. So we're just gonna run her as she is to the point now. Beans are dry, so we're gonna get to cutting. Corn, it's not quite there yet. Probably the latter part of this week, probably Saturday or Sunday, may try to shelf some of that corn, but we'll just have to do a moisture test and see what it's like. So I'm gonna go make sure he's got everything good here, then I will be back. I got back just in the nick of time. He's got a full hopper and the semi's over here. He'd be over there. Call him, ask him which one he wants to peat. By God, I'm all for that. Oh man, air went down on this truck. That's unusual. Ooh, the sun's right in my face. First hopper of harvest 2022. Also the first hopper we've ever had in this trailer. And to make it better, it's hooked up to the Peterbilt, which only got used to haul grain twice, and that was both out of the bin last year. Actually early this year. Man, them beans are dirty. Whew, that combine looked good since we waxed that thing. Only if I had time to do the other one, but I have a feeling I'm probably going to be cutting beans better tonight this week. I know he's probably going to keep cutting tomorrow. Don't know how early it starts to be able to get, but depends on how much of a dew or frost. It's been frost past few mornings. Been getting in the 20s and 30s every night.
Bethel, he helped Joyce get his straightened out. He's ag leader man.
Wind kind of blew these beans over a bit.
Yeah. Stems are still green when I got out and checked to see how my new grates is going.
Yeah. Stopped and talked to Mike, rode with him a little bit, and he said that's what he's got into.
How's his getting along?
They're dirty.
Are they? All that dust boiling up right here on that John Deere.
Yep.
There's a screw up right here along the road. Getting tore up. Make fun of it.
So we're done for the night. We got this patch done here and that patch over there done. Got half a trailer load off of 9 acres. We figured about 500, 550, roughly 55 to 60 bushel an acre beans. Those are pretty good. Best beans ever produced on this farm here. But tomorrow Grandpa's going to take the 8 row and shell 16 rows off the end of this field. That way we can take the combine up to the field right in front of my house there on the clay hillside. We're gonna cut them beans tomorrow, but we can't bring the head down the road because of width and having to worry about running into somebody. Right here really ain't no problem. Right here maybe between that seed sign and the mailbox, but going around this corner here coming up, we got trees on one side and a bank on the other. It's just easier to go through the field, but since we ain't got anything shelled, he's going to shell that off. He said last he knew was about 18%, so a hopper ain't gonna hurt nothing. If we have to, we can put it in the bin, turn the fan on, that'll dry it down enough. We may just blend it with some dry, who knows. Just have to see what happens. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one.